Yo, I ain't got no friends. Yeah, I'ma do this track. West Side, M.O.B., Bad Boy Killer. Hey, Fat Boy. First off, touch your chick and the click you claim. West Side, when we rock, come equipped with game. You claim to be a player, but I bust your wife. We bust on Bad Boys, brothers touch for life.
5 OJs and the great Mr. Allen. We're going on a Thursday hike.
Oh my God! Look, littering in the forest. Oh no!
Wait, look, it's a board game. We should take it back to the hotel.
The 4 kids excitedly run to Alexa's room to play this amazing new game.
It's an Ouija board. Let's put our hands on the magic map photos and summon a dead person.
But who are we gonna summon?
Oh, I know! Let's summon Tupac for his sick raps!
Yeah!
What the hell? It's not working! Let's get out of here!
This is a crappy Ouija board. This doesn't work at all.
You mind that? Yeah. You guys help.
Room inspection. Hello? Papa, what happened here? All eyes on me. Oh no, he's back. Are you dead? It certainly seems so. Oh no, he's back. So, you've got to listen to me. There's a dangerous killer on the loose, so you've got to stick together. My suspicions are that he's a rapper.
Oh no!
Oh, God. I know, it's tragic.
And so Tupac started his murderous killing spree.
Oh no! It's too late again! Oh, nice phone, I'm going to steal it. Thank you.
You remember that ugly girl Shaniqua?
Yes, she was so stupid.
I know, right? She was so annoying sometimes. Do you hear me? What?
Yes!
2 more dead bodies. This has to end.
Listen now!
Yo, I ain't got no friends. Yeah, I'ma do this track. West Side.